Hi guys, good morning. So for breakfast I'm going to eat this chicken salad that I made last night. I'm going to have it for breakfast, probably try to get the rest in for protein. And that's really my breakfast, you guys. This is a really easy what I eat in the day. Later on today I'll show you guys what I'm going to meal prep for lunch and dinner. Okay, hi everyone. I want to show you what I am cooking for my lunch slash dinner. I'm meal prepping right now. So I am cooking steaks on the George Foreman grill. They're coming out really good. I highly recommend everyone go get one because it's just a really easy way to cook your protein. Over here I've got a bunch of whole green beans. I've cut the ends off of them. And I'm going to put some Spanish extra olive oil on there from Trader Joe's. And I'm going to throw it in the oven at 375. I'll be cooking Uncle Ben's whole grain boiling bag brown rice. And so I usually just cook one bag. If any of you ever have a problem making fluffy brown rice, I highly recommend getting the bags from Uncle Ben's because it is so easy. And it's also really, really good. Okay guys, and this will be my lunch and dinner. So I went ahead and I had cut up the steaks. They were way bigger than this, but I cut them up. So this probably equals about one steak. I probably won't be able to finish it all. I'll probably finish about 2 of them. So I've got 2 spoonfuls of rice, and it's actually a teaspoon. So 2 teaspoons full of rice, and then I've got a bunch of green beans, you guys. So this is my lunch and dinner that I've meal prepped during quarantine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.